In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AliExpress order unsuccessful 2025, step by step. If your checkout keeps failing with order unsuccessful or transaction declined, it usually comes down to payment verification or a mismatch in your details. Let's walk through what reliably fixes it. Start by opening AliExpress, go to Account, then Payment. Remove any saved card that keeps failing. Now re-add the card carefully, exactly as it appears on the card, and with the same billing address your bank has on file. Type the full card number, the correct expiry date, and the CVV, and make sure the billing name and address match your bank records, character for character. While you're there, double check your card is not expired and that it's enabled for online and international purchases. Many cards are fine locally but fail on cross-border transactions unless that feature is turned on. If the payment still won't go through, call your bank or card issuer. Let them know you're trying to pay on AliExpress, an international e-commerce platform. Ask them to allow the transaction, enable 3D secure or one-time password if it isn't already, and remove any temporary security blocks. This one call resolves most decline errors because banks often flag unfamiliar overseas charges by default. Next, make sure your AliExpress account itself is fully verified. In account, complete both email verification and phone verification. Keep your contact details up to date and avoid anything that can look risky to fraud systems, like using a VPN, switching between multiple accounts, or repeatedly attempting failed payments in a short period. A clean, verified profile helps the payment gateway trust your order. If your card keeps failing, switch payment methods. Try PayPal or Alipay if they're available in your region, or use a different credit or debit card. Where supported, Payoneer can also work. PayPal, in particular, tends to have a higher success rate because it handles the risk checks on its side. Now review your region settings. Your shipping address should match your actual country, your card's country should match your AliExpress account region, and your selected currency shouldn't trigger your bank's fraud rules. If you're traveling or recently moved, update those details before trying again. Finally, change the device or network you're using. Avoid public Wi-Fi and VPNs. Try your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Switch to another phone or a different browser, and if you're on the app, clear the app cache before retrying. Follow these fixes in order, and your AliExpress payment should go through smoothly. Happy shopping!